Oh, I'm.
Let's go, motherfucker!
I'll get the dead one with 2 bars.
Oh,
There's someone.
Oh, I think we're at wrong side.
Wrong.
It's Apollyon. Wrong field.
it's on field!
Apollyon shouting, "Hey, wrong field!"
You can still walk there.
Oh!
It's not very long.
Oh my God! Mini ball! Wow! Clowns here!
Clowns here.
Wow! Woo! Hello! Excuse me!
Loads of them.
Wow!
About 7 of them there.
Oh dear!
Loads.
Wow, guys, look how many's here. There's mini bones. There's the clown. Clown's here, look at it.
No, Bones is a GG.
There's Ethel,
Scarecrow,
Scarecrow.
Shadow, Doll, Clown, Apollyon.
Hi. Ding 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 ding. I like ding 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 ding. I like ding 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 ding. Hey.
Stop now.
Ding ding. Ding 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 ding. Oh, look at them all doing it.
Welcome to Uncle Knobface Month. I hope you enjoyed the introduction. Here's just a few people who you will see, who you might not see. And there are a few that are missing, but you will see them. We're going to call this the Content Games. You two are competing with us
Oh, that's easy.
to see who will be crowned the kings of...
Why is Ethel rubbing her hands together?
Why's Mini Bones doing that? Oh, he's a...
It's a GG.
Oh, you're a GG.
Mini Bones. Oh,
Mini Bones.
he's Mini Bones.
Oh, sorry. Sorry, Mini Bones. Oh! Clown, it's so good to see you. Yeah, listen, oh, Clown. It's so good to see you.
I don't know if I want to hear it.
Oh, I don't know if I can.
No.
I don't. Are we scared? Ah! Ah! Hi, Shadow. Ethel, give a scream.
Oh no.
You just. Oh.
I know there's a few people you'd expect to see here, but they will be around soon.
Oh, it's so good.
So this is your introduction. We'll play a series of games. They could be physical or mental. We'll see you at the next location for the games to begin.
Bye.
Fuck you!
Ding, 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 ding. Oh. Hey, that good is that?
That's funny. Loving this already. TikTok shop, I think she means. Mum,
Hey,
TikTok shop, I think she means.
got love.
Oh, I can hear it, clown.
Ah.
Oh my God, no, no,
Ah.
That call?
Yeah, it's coming.
no, I'm not impressed.
Go.
No,
Crazy call!
Cole, oh, fuck's sake.
Clown. Hi, Cole.
Egg.
Oh no, they've got eggs.
Me and you. No, thank you.
Come on.
No.
Oh, Clown's in a bad mood, I think.
Didn't you see what he's just done?
What?
Pointed to his
Hey.
set and then went me and you.
What? No, you're not. Oh.
Oh no. Oh no.
Oh.
Oh.
You and her. You and Clown.
Oh, me and you.
You and Cole. Me. Standing here.
Bones. Yeah.
Oh, me and Minnie Bones.
So
You're with,
I'm with Clown. You're
Oh.
with Cole.
you're with Cole. Oh. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Oh, God.
Happy birthday, dear Alan. Happy birthday to you. Yay!
Cole.
Egg and spoon race. Oh,
Cole. Egg.
oh, look how he was. Oh. Oh, Minnie Bones is in a bad mood as well.
Al.
Al, go on.
Al, you've got to
you've
walk
gotta
up to
stand
Cole.
here, love. No, you didn't have to do
You've
that.
got to stand where you're Cole. I'll stand up here, guys, so you can see everything. Cole and Al's about to have a race. Cole. 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 Cole.
Look at this. Look at Eiffel. Look at Eiffel. Oh. Where's he going?
What's he
Oh,
doing?
God.
Cole's gone. Cole.
Cole.
Where are you going?
Cole. Cole.
Cole.
Cole.
Cole.
Come on, Alan, you winning.
Alan,
Come on,
run.
Alan, run.
Cole, you need to go
Cole,
up
you
there.
need to go up there.
Cole. Oh, you've dropped your egg. Cole, your egg. You've dropped your egg.
Yay, Alan won.
Cole, it's
Cole, your
here.
egg.
Egg's here. Yeah, egg. You're going to stand on it, Cole.
Yeah.
Behind.
There.
Your feet. Hmm.
Cole, where are you going?
Egg. Your turn. Your
My
turn.
turn.
Yeah. Give me that torch, Mum, because mine's going to go flat. Mum, give me that torch.
I've got one.
Cole, go away. What? No, I'm not interested. Egg. Egg.
Run.
Look at these here, guys. Look at these.
God.
Egg. Egg. Egg.
Okay.
Egg.
Go on, Lisa.
Mum, it's Minnie
Minnie
Bones.
Bones. Go on, Lisa. Go.
Egg.
Go on, Minnie Bones.
Oh, Apple's screaming. Nobody's interested in Cole. It weren't your turn. Yes, I know your name. Yeah, it's you. Are you steamed up? Yeah. Come on then. Well done, Minnie Bones. Look how many there is, guys. They're all so excited. Ethel's so giddy. Oh, look at this. Look at them. They're all so
Minnie Bones.
excited.
I don't think so. He put his top of his hoot so he can't fall
No, that's cheating. Oh, quick, Olivia. What? Go on.
Go on, Olivia.
No, look at her. Right, come on. You've got to do it properly, saying. Egg.
Give it a rod.
Right, they're doing it again. No, you won't. Oh, my hands are freezing here. Right, are we ready, guys? They're going again.
Hey, fuck off! Hey, you silly cunt!
Hey,
I don't care!
quick. Go on, Lil. Al. Olivia's ward is here! Oh. Look at Carl, look at them, Dad, look at them.
Olivia.
Well done, Olivia. Bye. We won that. Yeah.
We won!
Live and live, Woos. We L&L won that.
Yeah, we won.
See,
But nobody's interested about Carl, to be honest. What are we doing? What are you doing?
Oh, the friends. Oh. It's cold. Ooh. Shanty, pick up, man. Thank you so much. I'm going to tell Carl. Does that smell nice, Carl? Oh, he's having a wee.
Oh, he's having a wee!
Carl.
He said Carl.
Carl.
Cut him up.
Someone just sent us a £50 donation on YouTube. No, not ding ding. Ding 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 ding. Oh. No, get away from me. Carl. Everybody knows your name, mate.
Carry him up. Carry him up.
Alright?
Look, he shit himself.
You have. Oh, what they all doing? Oh, we've got to stand here. One.
You're one.
No, 41.
No, Alan.
One.
One.
This is a game.
Shit. Two.
3. Okay.
Ow. Liv. I'm Lisa.
Lise.
Lise. Oh, yeah.
Cool.
Two. One. One. Two. Liv. Cole.
No, 3.
One.
Cool.
Sack.
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 What?
Oh! Sack race.
I could fall here.
I could as well.
Yeah, but I'm old.
Yes. 52.
One.
Oh my god. She's gonna shit so much. Watch this.
Oh, we've got to get out. Ah! You fucking idiot! Oh my god! You're stumping up weed!
That way, Paul.
Go away!
One.
1. Alan, I think you're going first.
One.
1.
He's got his on his head. piece of shit. Oh Lord, this is gonna be bad.
You need to be facing the other way, I think, Alan.
Other way, Al, I think.
That way.
Is it? That way, Alan.
No,
that's
it's the other way.
Oh God.
Let me go this way. Clown, can I stand up here with you to film? Yeah, brilliant.
Hey, he's saying hey to you. Ethel, you've got to get to Ethel.
Where Ethel?
She's still up with Mr. Bond. Minnie Bond.
Look at Ethel.
Look at Cole. Go. Oh, what's gone other way? Oh, where you going? Come on. Where you going?
Oh, he's got at him.
Winner!
Oh, Cole's not impressed.
Go away! Alan won that. Oh, Cole's gone. Cole's gone.
Oh, he's fucked
He's
off.
had enough. He's gone.
Winner!
All right, Alan, we know you've won. Fucking hellfire. We all right here.
Who? Number 2.
My mum.
Here.
Get it, Clown. Yeah. 2. No, Clown, I already have mine, sorry.
I can't fall. I'm wrecking it.
Yes. Mum said if I fall, I'm breaking a nip. Carl went, yes. Shanty, big up for that £50 donation as well. Thank you so much. You okay, Minnie Bones?
Okay.
Oi! Dada, piss off! Hey!
Boom.
Wait a minute. I can do this. If I fall, I'm going to break my head. Fall.
Come on, Lisa. Don't take your coat off. Go on.
I can't do this.
I don't think I will, you know.
She's stiff.
That's it. It's one.
Yay.
Go away!
1-1.
I don't think I'll be able to do it
Olivia, you
either.
can do this.
I think I'll fall.
You wait.
You
I'll
do
do
right.
it.
I never used to be able to do it when I was
Fall. Yeah. Sack, yeah. Fall in the sass.
Get me up.
Oh. Guys, I did try. Sorry. Guys, I did try. Oh, God. I haven't missed you, really. No! Look, guys. Oh, dear. No, you're cheating. I'm not. You are? We haven't started yet. Oh, Olivia started. She was too keen. You did great. I did absolutely rubbish. Look at these two here. Minnie Bones.
This one's Alan.
Is it?
Win.
Hey?
Cole just talked to him like win.
Wait, not yet. You've got to go on the screen. Go on, Lil.
Wait, I need to put my kegs up before they fall down. My ass still on going on.
Hey! Oh,
You're ringing now.
it sniffed you and then it wafted its nose.
Wait, I'm not ready. I need to ring Kim. Hurry up. Nah.
Oh.
Hurry up.
2, 1.
Go on, Lil.
Get out.
Get out of your way, you clown.
I fall off in your fucking fall.
Go on, Liv. Go on, Liv. Go on, Liv. Go on, Liv.
Yeah. Yes.
Yeah, Eleanor. Yay.
Win.
Win. No loser. No loser at all. No. No. I said that thing sniffed you and went like that, fishy.
2.
2, 1. Your glasses are falling off, Carl. Here.
Yeah, we're winning. Bye. Up yours, motherfucker. It still looks scary, even though it's funny, doesn't it? Look at Mini Bones. He's not even scared. Oh, look at Eiffel. Oh. Look at Clown. Clown looks. Clown still looks like, doesn't it? And it's no, it don't move, does it?
Oh, he's taking a shower.
He's having a wash, wait. Oh, he's having a wash. Can you remember that?
Mum, Mini Bones.
You're in a really bad mood, Joe.
Me?
Olivia, they're doing something.
You alright, Mini Bones? Come. You want me to come? Come on then. I'm following you, Mini Bones.
He's showing us where to go.
Are you angry? No? Okay.
Oh, what are they all doing? What's Cole doing?
What are they all doing?
What's he doing?
Cole's laid down with his name tag. He stood there. Clown stood there.
That was counting his fingers.
What's he doing?
Cole's sunbathing.
Ethel's counting, that one's clapping.
Oh no.
What?
Oh no.
Oh, lordy.
Do you remember this?
Rap challenge.
Rap challenge, Alan. This is so funny.
Oh, Lord. Mini Bones.
One.
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 I can't do it with him. I'm sorry.
One.
Mason, I can't do it with you.
You can.
Yes.
Oh.
Thank you, Paige, for the £1. Okay, Moo.
Two. Oh, I've had Botox. Oh, look at it. Look at it.
Ethel and Alan.
What have I got to do?
Thank you. You put the water in your mouth.
You first, come on.
Alright.
Are you ready, Mel? Go on.
Yeah.
Not you, Mel.
Look at this, guys. Watch.
Put the water. No, keep your wrap now then.
I know how cute is this, guys.
You can hold this one so I don't need to use it. Keep it in. You've got to not laugh.
Oh! Quick, another try. Wow! Wow, that went. Mason, not so hard. Again, Cole said.
Snap this wrap.
Oh! No, the little one. Hey! Look at Cole. Look at these two. Little one, no. Ah! Mason, he's out, you've won. Mason, not so hard, darling. Win.
These all know that these couldn't have won me, that's fine.
Yeah, no.
Amazing, man.
I know, I get you two right wangers there.
And it's not fair, you've got a mask on.
No.
Oh, they're a bit crispy, these. They're not fresh, these bad boys. This is not fair, he's got no water in his cup.
He has.
Nicholas.
Oh. Come on. We're done. That one's out. We're done. Right, free.
Who won that then?
It's not fair because Dad's got a mask on, so it's not getting the full whack.
Yeah, but so what? We still did it last time and I won. When they've got a mask on.
Can we spill it out? No. One more. Many bones. Boss is speaking.
Harder, Mum. Excuse me, you're not allowed to move.
Fucking face is hurt.
My ears are fucking ringing, man.
I bet you get just 2 rate whacks.
Look at him just start eating it.
I know. It's not fair because they've got masks on.
Myself.
He won't give him, he's eating it. Basically, eat it, love.
That's alright, I've got the half.
No, you're right.
We've only got half each here. That's alright. They've got half.
I think that's okay. Fucking hell, they're going to start paying in a minute. Headfuls out. Headfuls out. Well done, Alan, you won. Headfuls won. Alan won. Poor Olivia. I think Olivia should have won that hassle. I've been thinking that, okay. We won. Yeah?
Yeah.
Who won?
Us.
Us. Poor Olivia. It was tonight.
My fucking ears are ringing. Everything's echoing.
Bye. Stop, don't silent, you failed.
Where's I am? 'Cause it's 1.5.
Move that, Alan, 'cause it's for bones.
Excuse me, it's not short. Put window down for it.
No, we get out and do it.
No, Alan's going to get out and do it.
Put that in the boot.
Oh, watch his hand.
Put this in boot.
I can't see. Yeah. Is he alright? Because what am I doing with window?
Just, you can put it back up. You've trapped his arm.
I can't see. What? Oh, it's alright.
Are you being nice?
No.
Are you coming with us?
You taking Alan? Yeah, where's Hulk? Taxi.
It's a woman. We've got bracelets on. It's a woman.
We always try and guess and we shouldn't, should we? Because we tell y'all not to and we do it. It's not Hulk.
What's having a dance?
Can you see?
Oh, fuck me, it's here. What's up now?
Oh, no.
Shush, be quiet. No, Alan, they're saying be quiet. I don't know, but it's got a tape round its arm, so what's it done?
What's it done?
I don't know, it's saying come.
Oh,
It's filthy as well. Whole back of your costume's full of mud, mate. Have you fell over? You
oh,
slipped?
it's slit. Oh,
Oh.
when it were racing you for egg.
Oh,
Oh,
yeah.
somebody's got his suitor. Yeah. Go on, let this one get in front, Olivia.
Go.
Christ, head.
Oh? Are you friends, you two, or enemies? No, they're not friends. Oh, go and get it.
Do us a clown move, please.
Come on. Turn round. Again. Oh, no, it's not in mood. Oh,
Oh,
oh, what's that?
who are these?
Oh!
Oh, no,
Wow.
no.
Wow.
No, I don't
No,
miss
I
that.
don't like. I
don't miss it.
All right. You and me, us two. I
You're
don't
not
like that.
fucking leaving me.
I don't like it.
No, I don't either. It's scary, that one. That's home wrecker.
That's home wrecker, yeah. Oh.
Oh,
Oh, it's one-legged race. We've got to go up there, look. Look at them all waving up there, Olivia.
if you all didn't know, guys, they're from season 1.
Oh,
All these, no, the
I
very
can't
first
do
one.
it with him. I'll do it with her.
Saying no, it's you and him.
Oh, Lordy.
So I'll walk up here and record it. Ethel, Minnie Bones. Ethel's ready. She's dancing about. They're all getting ready. They're all getting ready to go. Are you sorry? Yeah. You okay? Love you. They said, guys, that all characters won't be out at the same time. Oh no, they're coming. Oh, oh.
Get me out of this now. Excuse me.
Guys, please go back on the live. We're not too far away for you to catch it, or did you catch it?
I went absolutely flying.
Why is he taped up?
They said happy birthday to him. I'm Daisy. Get me up, Alan. Come on.
Because you meant to talk. It's because where Alan's walking. He's walking outside with his foot.
He's what? But
He
he
is.
can't help it, can he?
Yeah, but he's walking onto
Right,
top
get
of
me out,
yours.
Get me out. Get me out.
You've lost anyway.
Get me out, please.
Go away.
Alan walks outside of his leg, guys. Get off. No, that weren't fair. He's staying, Olivia's staying winner. No. No. Cheats. That was unfair because he goes like that, doesn't he?
Yeah, he does.
Look at him.